course, this is Mr. Moralia. So here we are. This is for the comic book option for your constitutional project. So remember, once again, you are teaching somebody about the topic, and you have a variety of topics you can choose from. I'm choosing to use the three branches of government. So let's begin with our first cover, the cover slide of the book. So you want to make sure that you, and mine's an example. So when you actually get this template, you delete everything on it and you create your own, including the box right over here. And then you want to go ahead and proceed. Notice that I've included a drawing here. So that's one of the requirements, that you have at least 1 to 2 or 2 to 3 originally created drawings. And so I've done one here. If I go to my second page, so this is my title. So once again, you decide, you fill out all the required information here. Here's the second page of the book. Now I've actually used the comic book frame, which is very helpful. So I just inserted a picture and I gave a heading of it. Remember, you're teaching this. So you figure somebody's going to be reading this, somebody's going to be learning about the Constitution. So it's very important that you're very clear. So I'm basically laying a background about the three branches of government, where the ideas came from. And this is where you use your prior background. You look at your Pear Deck sources, you look at videos, things that we've used already in class. Do not go out looking for anything on the internet. That's ridiculous. Focus on what you already have. Okay, so notice what I've done here. I've talked about the three branches of government. I've even put a little picture of James Madison. So I'm using secondary sources here, obviously, and I'm providing a little bit of a, I guess you could say, comic information. All right. So the next thing I'd want to do is then talk about the three branches. I would then do those on different pages. I'm not going to provide the pages for you. You should be able to see the general example. You do not have to use all of these other templates here. You can use whatever ones you want to use. Delete what you don't use. Please do not leave an unfinished document, because that's going to really, it's not going to look very appealing. So if I would only use the templates that I intend to, delete everything else, and then you're done. So look, for example, these things here, if you want to get rid of them, get rid of them. If you're not going to use them, get rid of them. Anything you're not using, get rid of. Okay, so that is how you're going to go about doing the